Hi, this is John with Fix It Planet, and I just want to make a personal comment, which is not necessarily something that I like to do for this channel, but this is just ridiculous. I have to say something about it. These are what you call packing peanuts, and this is absurd. There's nothing you can do with these. They should be outlawed. These should not even be allowed to be used anymore. This can't be good for our environment. You can't really reuse them. There's no way to store them. So they inevitably end up in the garbage, and I would assume they go out to our landfills. So I don't know if anybody would like to share or anything. I just wanted to point out my opinion. This box is a large box. It's got to be at least 2 by 2. So you're looking at an awful lot of peanuts, packing peanuts here, that I will have no choice but to most likely end up putting in the trash. When we get bubble wrap and other things like this, then we do have the ability to store that kind of thing and reuse it, which is ideal. So when I do get stuff with packing paper, packing such as bubble wrap, those things can tend to be stored neatly and reused. Where they might end up at the end of the day, I have no idea, but at least from our point of view, we aren't doing anything but recycling and reusing the bubble wrap and the packing papers that we get routinely from a whole lot of different places when we order things. And we do an awful lot of ordering, and there's a lot of shipping and receiving going on. So we do tend to hang on to as much as we can and reuse. But these packing peanuts are a nightmare. We cannot reuse those. We can't really store them anyplace. And inevitably they end up probably going out to our landfills. Again, I just wanted to point out, in my opinion, these should be outlawed. So, yeah, well, that's my little rant about the packing peanuts. I would appreciate it if everybody would, be nice if people would stop using them. Like I said, they should just be outlawed. I don't see how they can possibly be anything that, of all the things that we have going on in this world, you'd think something as simple as this could just be stopped so that they don't continue sending these things out like this. This is just unbelievable. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye now.